Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's a little different. Today's video is not nail related. It's in the kitchen. Some creamy lemon garlic skillet chicken. I found this recipe online, so I decided to give it a try. So the first thing is to heat up the chicken until golden brown. Cook it in a skillet, non-stick skillet. All I added was the olive oil spray because I cannot be cooking with like fatty oils at the moment since I am recovering from gallbladder removal surgery. So I need to watch what I eat from now on, mostly in the first few months after removing the gallbladder, to get my body adjusted to the missing gallbladder. So here I am browning the chicken on both sides and making sure it's cooked all the way through. If you guys are interested in the recipe that I followed, well, sort of followed, I will list it down below. I cut the ingredients by half since I wasn't cooking a lot of chicken. So after it is cooked golden brown, it was supposed to be like a little darker, but I didn't want to burn it all the way. You remove it from the skillet, and then I put the heat a little bit down low. So now I add in some butter. The butter I'll be using is from Country Crock. This one is plant butter with olive oil. Next thing is this minced garlic. This one is Spice World. I guess that's the name brand. I added 1.5 tablespoon of butter, and then one, not completely a heap of 1 tablespoon of garlic. The half portion was supposed to be 2 tablespoons, but I didn't want it too garlicky, so I just added almost 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then I will add some salt and some pepper. That is up to you. I cannot use a lot of seasoning at the moment. So I'm gonna let this cook for a good minute, letting all the ingredients mix well. The next thing I add is flour. I add a tablespoon of flour. So I'm gonna mix it in until there is no more lumps of the flour. So this recipe calls for half and half, but I didn't have that at the moment. So I am using low fat milk. I used 1.5 cup and then 1/4 cup of chicken broth, and the chicken broth is Progresso brand. So I'm gonna stir all these ingredients up together until there is no lumps. Boil and then let it simmer for a few minutes so it could thicken up. So one way to find out is if the sauce is getting thick is when you see it stick to the spoon. So here I'm just taste testing it. Once the sauce is a little bit thick, I go in and add the chicken back again, and then let that cook for like 3 to 5 minutes so the flavors can incorporate. The last thing to add is lemon juice. I added 1 and 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh lemon, and then I added half a lemon in slices. So now I'm gonna let all these flavors incorporate for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then it will be done. The recipe I was following, they had parsley for garnish, but I didn't have fresh parsley, so I just left it as it is. So this is the complete meal. I paired it up with some sauteed sweet potatoes and asparagus. I mixed it up with some lemon juice and some butter, salt, and pepper, and it came out delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.